The night sky shall bear witness to our glorious reunion.
I want to go back. I want to be with Daddy.
We'll be quick. I promise, sweetie.
Oh, my sweet child. If only you knew what the Purifier has prepared for you. Don't you want to go to a better place? Free of all this ugliness?
Sounds like dying.
Don't be afraid. Soon you will see a new dawn.
She doesn't want to be here.
And you? Have you considered my offer?
I have.
And?
I can't. I just don't know if I believe anymore.
I was afraid it would come to this.
What are you doing?
Mommy?
Tell her it's okay.
It's all right, baby. Everything's fine. Keep your eyes shut.
I had such high hopes for you, Rachel. But I was wrong.
Don't do this. Please. I'll do anything.
First Joy, then Toby. Your blight spreads like a cancer. As long as you live, we will never be able to ascend.
Don't do this. Not in front of Faith. Please.
Mommy?
May the blood pass through the earth. May the soil and stone filter it until it is once again pure.
You killed him!
It's okay. We're all okay.
Mommy? What's happening?
Faith! Faith!
Okay. You can talk to him. Thank you, Astrid. I can't tell you what this means to me. Just be prepared to not like what you hear. Orson, I'm so glad to see you again. I wanted to know, when you were out there, did you see anybody? In the woods? Was there a girl? Did you know my Asta?
But I know we're friends.
Friends? You know Asta's friends, Orson? Who? Who are her friends?
The worms.
What?
The worms and the maggots and the flies and the rot! The putrid earth envelops her!
Orson, no!
Follows her who?
Olivia, wait! Orson, stop!
I owed you one.
We have to get away from that thing.
Just breathe. You're okay.
What the hell is it?
I don't know, but it's not the only one. There was one that was tall, covered in fingers.
I don't want to die in this place.
Take a deep breath. It's okay. We're gonna get out of here. My daughter, she was just with me. I have to find her.
She came back?
Yes. Some woman brought her back to me.
The lady in the woods? What the hell is happening?
I think Xavier was right. This is happening because of me.
What do you mean?
I was entrusted with someone's life, and I couldn't keep them alive. Come on, we need to keep moving.